playing Slime Escape Keyboard +1. I don't really know how to say it, but basically it's where you start slow, and it's actually pretty satisfying. I'm sorry that Allie, Piggy, and Buzz aren't here. They are being grumps. I'm sorry. Yep. So, yeah. Oh, we were just at 6-7, but okay. Let's see what we can do for the sound. So there's Clacky, there's Creamy, there's Chocolate, and there's Slime. I'm gonna do Slime because that's the whole point of the game, and also Clacky just didn't sound right. So basically, this game is almost the exact same as +1's Keyboard Escape. Just okay. Instead of a ballerina, it's just a blob, just slime blob. Honestly, just weird. I wonder if I'm fast enough to do this. I'm just gonna claim my win this game. I'm gonna claim the wins, and now you can already get. Oh, never mind. I already have it. Next up. Okay, guys, what can we do now? Okay, can we try going for the ball thing? Raspberry juked out that slime thing. Why does the slime sound so satisfying? Let's try Clacky. Oh. That is so nice. Dude, this really is an exact. Okay, I don't want to spend my Robux on this game. I have Robux for days, but I don't want to spend. I just noticed I killed myself. Where are my wins? Oh, where are my wins? Okay. So what I'm thinking I might do is I might to go and treadmill. Oh wow. Where is the front of the treadmill? Is my game lagging? Oh wow. Okay. If Piggy doesn't like copycat, so if he were to play this game right now, he'd be so mad. So, yeah. Nah, I don't like pop-ups at all. Close one. Okay, we can make that. Hopefully. We can maybe even make that. We can make that. And perfect. Okay, is there like a recommended? Nope, I'm not doing that. I'm not risking my. Okay, level 3 is now equipped, guys. I just noticed there are eggs in this game. Already something that's better than the actual real game. Okay. Me like it. Yeah. Okay. Let's move on. A 1, 2, 3. Also, remember to go to the link in the description and go and check out the Alay and Piggy channel. Of course, I'm Alay because my name's Alay. Yeah, you guys already get it. Sorry for that cringe laugh, by the way. That's a very cringe laugh. Do I have enough? Nope. Just barely not enough. I'm just gonna notify you guys when I have enough. And we are already at level 30. Okay, that was quick. It took like 1 minute and 5 seconds. I won't make it. No. You've got to be kidding me. Robux. Robux with the Robux. Give me my 50 wins back. Okay, but if you guys want a part 2, make sure to like, subscribe. Forever do. Bye-bye.